Hi, and welcome to Just 2020. I'm Tracy, and today I want to get ready for Christmas. In order to get the house ready and decorated, I have to declutter first. We're going to do just a quick declutter of the room that I want to set up the Christmas tree and set up lights before I bring out all the Christmas decorations. And if you're in the same situation, some of these ideas will help you quickly sort through, clean up, declutter, and get ready to decorate. And if you're already decorated, but you still got the clutter around and you're not ready for people to visit, this will likely still help you because decluttering is always a good idea. So the room is a big mess because, no, not you, no. Well, you see, children and toddlers and pets, they kind of leave a mess. This is my medication boxes that were delivered and I have to be returned. That's all of my stuff that needs to go and get sold on Facebook. Yeah, I gotta put it away. I want to put lights up. And that's not really gonna work if, and the Christmas tree up, if this mess is still everywhere. So, the first thing that we have to do is declutter the garbage, the recycling, dishes, laundry. So let's just snap our fingers and have it done, right? I guess I have to work. Okay. Someone's staging a protest. I can't take away the laundry, she says. Okay, so I just called and labeled and set these up for pickup tomorrow, so they will be gone. So that makes things look a lot better already. And here's some more mess. See, nice clean floors except for a few toys and, well. And yes, in true hoarder fashion, I have stuff stuffed underneath furniture. And inside furniture. Yes, but we'll get to that later. For right now, I've cleared the surface there. I have items on the floor to sell or donate. Items over here to go, 2 boxes, and a baby gate for somebody that I know. And let's be honest, I'm not doing as great of a job of decluttering as I'd like to, because this came from that room, living room. So it's called leveling. I didn't really declutter that whole room. I actually just brought it to a different level. Because yes, I am putting some of the items away. And the surfaces look better. So technically I have decided to sell items. And you can hear the laundry machine is going, so I am cleaning up some of it. But there are still items that have to be sorted and gotten rid of. This level now is getting more cluttered. Now I did declutter some garbage and some recyclables. And the room has definitely improved. There's still some areas which need work. Gotta shred. Some areas are a lot cleaner. We're always gonna have toys. Stuff to go. And surfaces are a little bit cleaner, but we still have too much furniture if we're gonna put a Christmas tree. We have dust. A lot of dust. So time to clean and still declutter a little more. Now in my dining room I have a chair that's been broken. Right here it got cracked. So my thought is to put my bench there for now. I don't want anybody sitting on the broken chair when they visit, and I don't want to have to say, oh, don't sit there. And that way the chair is at a different level in a different room, but now I have a little less furniture in this room. So I have these little pads on the bottom of all my furniture. They're just stick-on felt from the dollar store. And then I don't have to lift anything. I can just slide it along and put it where I want to. Makes it easy to slide and clean. I moved this shelf here because I had it for sale here, and I just set it by the stairs just to easily move it from the house, but it hasn't sold yet. It was kind of in a dangerous spot. It could go flying if somebody hit it and grabbed it. So I moved it to the corner, and I just used my handy dandy little hand screwdriver. Used the holes that were in it for the shelf adjusters, and just screwed it to the wall. There. And then on top there was a space for screwing it to a wall, because it is actually a kitchen corner cabinet. But I just did it there, and but now you can tell it's not really going to go anywhere. It's actually pretty sturdy. And if you're worried about the holes in the wall, toothpaste and a little dab of paint, and it'll blend right in. Nobody will know. The people who owned this house before me didn't do a great painting job, so I'm not really worried about it. And then I used just one of those blankets underneath the corner shelf to slide it along, because I'm not lifting furniture. I just slide things around, rearrange, makes life easier, and there's no marks or in the flooring. I don't ruin it. Saves me a lot of time, energy, and strength, and don't hurt myself. So now I have room to put my lights up the stairs nicely, and a Christmas tree, and presents. I don't really watch a lot of TVs, because, as you can see, I still have the dinosaur of a TV, and all the old stuff, but I do use it for my yoga, and so I still have space for doing yoga, and we have space to decorate. You want to do some decorating? You want new toys for Christmas?